So, apart from this, Ashish, there was one more story, how Singapore
Hmm.
was able to protect himself, right?
Singapore.
Itself, I'm sorry.
I think you are talking about Switzerland.
Switzerland, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Switzerland.
Yeah.
Like,
There's a dude who made a video on that. It is
yeah.
crazy. I'm going to link it down in the description box because I'm never going to do a fair job to
Yeah.
depict that. But
So good, no, when
Hmm.
you told me everything, Ashish only told me
Yeah.
because he was scrolling through every country's history and like that. He
Yeah.
told me many stories, so that is hitting my mind.
Yeah.
So one story you told me was Switzerland, no?
Yeah.
So
If
that
you
was
look at the
amazing.
map of Switzerland in 1940s, if you are a country in Europe,
Yeah.
it is crazy to even think that you can escape World War at that time because Hitler wants everything. He is capturing everything.
Yeah.
And if it can get into France, France is the most powerful nation before the World War II, obviously. France and Britain fought for a millennium, thousands of years,
Yeah.
right? And what they did, that is why I like these Assassin's Creed games. So Assassin's Creed Unity is made in France during French Revolution, and they make you explore the insides of the palaces and all, and
Yeah.
you see the riches of these people that they had before the French Revolution,
Yeah.
and you'll really understand how much of gold they captured throughout the world and brought it back to France.
Yeah.
Britain did exactly the same, right?
Then,
And yeah, they are superpowers
yeah,
before
yeah.
World War II. And you can capture Paris. You can stand in front of Eiffel Tower. You can
Yeah.
keep Paris a captured nation for years,
Yeah.
and you can't get into Switzerland.
Yeah.
How is that? So Switzerland is the king of neutrality, right? That is what is said in that video, that I don't want to be in this side. I don't want to be in this side. I'm not going to participate in war.
Even if you'll attack me, I won't attack back.
Yeah, a lot of Indians would be saying
Yeah.
that India never attacks on anyone, and that is 100% true. Indians have never attacked on anyone. We only defend.
Yeah.
But this Switzerland, I'm not going to get into war at all.
Yeah.
What they did, first of all, they are having a lot of geographical advantages, right?
Yeah.
So they are surrounded by mountains.
Yeah.
So all the entries are mainly through tunnels, right?
Okay,
Tunnels and bridges.
Yeah.
So what they did is that they put mines in those tunnels and bridges. So if you want to get in, you are going
Yeah.
to trigger the mine and the whole tunnel is going to collapse.
Yeah.
And basically in the attempt of you trying to get inside,
Yeah.
you're destroying the path yourself.
Yeah.
And until just few years ago, those mines were still placed over there.
Yeah.
And they created a lot of bunkers just in case. Just in case someone invades,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are all going to get inside those bunkers. They were even prepared for another nuke getting dropping on them.
Okay.
They were even ready for the nuclear bomb.
Yeah.
They will all get inside the bunkers. And now those bunkers are like state of the art. Some of them are turned into restaurants, museums, or
Okay.
some of them are turned into hotels.
Yeah.
I know that one bunker is turned into a bank because
Okay.
what is the safer place to keep your money? A bunker,
Yeah.
right? And some of them are just rubbles.
Yeah.
Nobody is occupying it.
Yeah.
But this is what they did. I don't want to get into war. And
Yeah.
Germany was not able to get inside. They were not able to do it. The moment they attempted,
Yeah.
they were destroying the only part that was present over there. So ultimately, what happened is that little
They
bit of a,
blackmailed. They blackmailed Switzerland,
now
right?
Switzerland had to compromise to some extent, kind of close to how America helped Britain, that we are not going to get in war, but we are going to supply material.
Yeah.
And Switzerland said that I'm going to supply material to Germans.
Yeah.
And they did some of that. But in any case, they avoided civilians getting killed.
Yeah.
They did not get into war. It's as simple as that. And they got stupid rich also because of that. Where
Yeah.
Germany is going to pay you.
Yeah.
Switzerland were very, very sharp when it comes to technology. I was also studying a little bit about the birth of the gun. Don't you ever wonder that when was it actually created?
Yeah.
I'll tell you a
Yeah.
funny story.
Yeah.
Chinese people were trying to create a potion that is going to make you immortal.
Okay.
And in doing that, they accidentally created gunpowder, and the person who did burnt their house down. And that was the beginning of gunpowder.
Okay.
And in that, Switzerland was one of the first to actually adapt to that,
Okay.
to guns and all.
Yeah.
So their technology was very, very advanced. Now also they are doing pretty good when it comes to technology.
Okay. Then what about space and all? Why aren't they so ahead in this space and all?
I don't really know, but there is one thing called European Space Agency,
Yeah.
and it is not only of any particular country.
Yeah.
It is of whole Europe. So they can send their people to as astronauts,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I don't know how much they are contributing,
Yeah.
but I'm sure they are doing pretty good. They're way ahead when it comes to technology and science and all.
Yeah.
They're good at that, right?
Okay.
Especially when you can avoid the biggest war that engulfed everything. Japan is so much advanced right now. Imagine what they could have done if Hiroshima and Nagasaki never happened. And that was the end. So first Italy collapsed, then Germany collapsed, and then Americans said that Japan, you are next. And they did it, and the war ended over there. And it was also like a threat, Russia took half of Germany, America took half of Germany. So now Russia knows very well that next enemy is America. And America knew that next enemy is Russia. America wanted to show them their own power, that we can do that. But few years later, Russia came up with their own atom bomb. So that is another thing, no?
It's of no use. Sorry.
Yeah, that is another
all the
thing.
Threatening and like that.
That is another thing. Like they can create as many nuclear bombs as they want, but they are going to make other countries sign treaties that you can't create atom bombs. That is something that India was not good with. We are not going to accept that. Okay, what is this now? Countries which has already created atom bombs, they can make more, or they can have their atom bombs. We can't have our own. So that is one place where India has not signed the treaty that we are going to have that. Pakistan also has atom bombs. Now everyone has atom bombs. That is the thing that I want.
We have to come up with something different thing, right?
Yeah. Atom bombs, like 5 countries trying to throw atom bombs, it is the end of the world. You can't do much about that. So after all this, what do you think? Where are we going? Where is the future heading?
Again, you are back to the square.
Yeah, you have to see the future. You have to look at the past. It is as simple as that.
If I told you, no,